my graduates.
How you feel for say? Come here, say when me feel for say. How you feel for say?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to Kenny Just Says. Welcome back to another video. Today is my son's graduation day from college, but I have a little dilemma. If you watch a previous video, you'll see where I was talking about the fact that I had to send back the shoes that I bought to wear today because it was too small. I did order the other one, but I knew it was not going to come in time. But regardless, I still don't have a shoe to wear. So let me show you what's going on. This is the dress. It's a simple black dress. And this is the bag that I have this bag for over 2 years now, right? I haven't worn. So I'm like, I want to wear this. The color of this bag, all the pink shoes that I have, too bright, too bright. And then I have still too bright. See? And then now I have the blush. 1, 2. But then these are too pale. I have other colors that I can wear, but I really wanted to go with this pink. Just want to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So this is the shoe that I wanted. I don't know if you guys can see. Here you go. So this came out, it was so exact that my toes were hanging. As a matter of fact, it fit me exactly like what it fit this lady, you know. I should have kept it, but I sent it back. It was too exact. I don't like my toes so close. It was too close. So where does that leave me now? So now you know the dilemma that I'm in, right? So the only thing I can think of, I still want to go pink. Do you guys remember I just showed you the shoe that I wore for my birthday like 2 years ago? I'm thinking go with this and the same bag. Go back with these. Again, only wore them once. It was on my birthday like 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? No, 1 year. Last year. Yeah, I think it was last year. My 40th birthday. So that's what I'm thinking if I still want to go pink and not make a fuss and digging up the whole place. You know what I mean? Yeah, and then silver accessories. That's what's gonna happen. Alright, so TJ and Troy, they already had our pep talk last night about being on time. It is now 15 minutes to 8. I am up. I'm gonna go do my hair. I have some clippings from Love Me Hair. I think you guys see me wear it already. I think I wore it like 2 times. So I'm gonna go prep my hair. So at least when I'm ready, I'm just like last touches. So I'm gonna do this now, and then I'm gonna change my nails. And I'm gonna hope that we can start getting ready at 10 o'clock. Savannah's here. I finished that last night, so it's just to pull it out to get that home look. Yeah, and I'm gonna find the accessories that I'm gonna wear with these. Alright, so I will come back. Oh, if you guys haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, share, and hype the video. Guys, today I have a college graduate. It feels like yesterday that he just graduated from high school. It's already 4 years. I have a freaking college graduate. I mean, I'm a little crazy right now, but I was just say that. But you know, let me go before I get late, guys. When I'm get late, like, it's because of you. We don't have a problem. Anyways, I see you guys later. Oi, Jesus.
What is that?
Doodoo. Come on, wait. Hey guys, so we are here at the graduation. Well, actually, we're trying to enter.
Some stuff over there.
Careful, I might not step in that. We already dropped TJ. He went inside. All of them have flowers and stuff.
I'm gonna stop and buy one.
You want to get it to your son?
You don't have to do no balloon. Get my flowers. Oh, see, this is a week.
So what is the closest place here? What up there, sir? Alright guys, so didn't get to get the flowers and balloons for TJ. So I'm trying to contemplate, since we can't go into the building until like 3 o'clock, where can we actually, because we have to get parked. Parking is already crazy, we already know this. So my thing is, they're selling some flowers here, but I wanted balloons as well. So I wanted to find out, like, do I get the flowers here alone? Or do I go walk and get the balloon? I don't know. But we have all the graduates here. Teacher's already inside. We got Tristan here. We got Miss Tavania here. Say hi, Tevi. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Let's show them how you guys looking. So this is Miss Tavania. Okay.
I have a wing and a bracelet, but I put it inside of the bag.
Like I'm going. And then this is Tristan. Tristan. their turn for them. Auntie, stop a bit weird though. Come on. But I wonder if they might have like things inside that we can buy. Think so? We need to get flowers. Guys, so we're gonna go inside right now. Get the door, Tristan. Come to this side so I can pass. Be a gentleman. You stay outside and hold the door, you hear me? Sorry, sir.
Keep walking one at a time. This won't be allowed in, sweetheart.
No?
Nope, they won't let you bring any GoPros or anything in.
Okay, well. Where do we need to go? Where are we going? Let's drop it in your bag, mommy. And then I'll fix it when we go inside. Hey, TJ. May I try to go? Shall we go? We're inside. Okay, we'll figure it out, baby. Where you at? Can I take a visual of you real quick? Well, I'm downstairs. Oh, yeah, by different. Okay, yeah, downstairs. Everybody's just standing here. Alright. Guys, okay? We're trying to figure out where to go. Where do we go? To find out from somebody. Alright guys, we're right here. They took away, well, not took away, but they said we couldn't come in with the stand. So, I'm kind of holding the camera right now. So we're just standing here. I'm not sure where to go. Hey, sure. Alright, we need to find out where we're going. Come on, hold on for your sister, she stands. Guys, we need to find somewhere to go because we don't know where everybody is standing. Oh, come here, so baby. There's a guy in front of me. Go up somewhere. Pick up somebody something in the program. Pick up like 3 of them. One from me, one for daddy. Tristan take up something. One for me, one for daddy, one for auntie, one for grandma. One more. Wanna help her with it, Tristan?
Okay, we found your brother.
Guess we're gonna enter here. Right here.
Okay. Teresa said she's over there. And then
Like, want to take a picture in the meantime? Guys, we are in. We just got the opening. $5. And his guy.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
I'm here in Second. Who's graduating from?
Our granddaughter.
Okay.
Their daughter.
Okay.
Well, congratulations to you too.
What was her name? Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
psychology, science. Yeah. Yes.
Psychiatrist, yeah.
And to be honest, he wanted to do private because he's going to go back for the masters and stuff afterwards. But he wants to open his own practice eventually. Thank you. We do. We do.
Hi, my baby. Congratulations. You know I love you and I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Yeah. Is it for 30?
son. Grandma is so proud of you. I love you. Continue to keep up that good work. Congratulations. Love you. I was like my grandson.
Yes, I love you, my grandson. Congratulations. Keep up the good work.
There's one here.
For the 136th commencement of Eastern Connecticut State University. My name is Megan Stanton, and I am representing the University Senate. I ask that you please stand as I invite our singers, Tegan Body, Ian Harrington, Jocelyn Kerwin, Eves Tertius, to step forward and sing America the Beautiful.
Congratulations to all of you, the class of 2026, and to their families, friends, and supporters here today. To the graduates, I cannot wait to hand you your diploma. And to those here to witness this momentous achievement, I encourage you to cheer loudly. Very loudly. This, after all, is a celebration, so let's celebrate.
You have to tell me twice.
Tell me 3 times.
It is now my distinct honor to introduce United States Senator for Connecticut and friend of Eastern Connecticut State University, the Honorable Richard Blumenthal.
Thank you so much. I am so excited and honored to be here on this spectacularly beautiful day. It's as beautiful inside here as it is outside across Connecticut on this sunny spring day. And to say to the class of 2026, congratulations, you did it. I'm particularly honored to be at this event because Eastern is really a great American success story in higher education. Thanks to wonderful faculty, thank you for your dedication and your hard work. Thanks to Yes, a big round of applause.
John Napoleon Jr. Jason Henry Mitchell. Who about it? Kevin Patrick McCarthy. Imani Rodriguez, summa cum laude. Marcy Ferrara. Grace Marie Prasad, cum laude. Haley Langlois. Cameron Donald Senna. Emily Nicole Senna, summa cum laude. Kaylee Lene, cum laude. Jacqueline Rocky. Owen Cascario. Troy Deontay Stewart. Side out.
Oh, my baby! Oh, teacher! Oh, my baby!
Kiera Clark.
You did it! You did it! You
Same message I gave to my class, something I believed to be true then, and I know to be true now. In your life, in your career, you will find strength not through your accomplishments, but through the adversity you face. There will be setbacks, moments of uncertainty, moments when things don't go according to plan. Your career may not be a straight line, mine certainly wasn't, but the moments that shape you most are often the most difficult ones. The moments where you have to adapt, to weather the storm, to pick yourself up when you've fallen down. Those moments of adversity, that's where the growth happens. That's where resilience is built. That's where strength is found. And all of you already know something about that. You don't get to walk across the stage without overcoming challenges, right? Without perseverance, without learning how to keep moving forward, even when things feel uncertain. So take a moment. Look at where you are tonight. Look at what you've accomplished. Hold on to how this feels, to the realization that on the other side of everything you overcame to get here, came this moment. You are stronger because of what you've overcome. As you leave here tonight, remember this too. You're not doing it alone. Tonight, you become part of the Eastern alumni family. And that community is real. You've been where you are now, excited about the future, but uncertain about what comes next. So stay connected, lean on one another, and lean on us, this alumni network. Reach out when you need help, because there are people in this community who are rooting for you, and will be willing to help you whenever we can.
It's not a prayer.
When adversity comes, because at some point it will, remember this, that's where you will find your strength. Congratulations, class of 2026.
I now declare this 136th commencement concluded. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright guys, we did it. Our baby graduated. We're trying to find him right now. Go on, come over here, son. Tristan, come over here. She never done one myself. The graduates. Come on, now wait.
Come on, give me this. Give me this one. Give me. Yeah, but I are ready. Go for the end.
Put on some little bit more today. Short like this. Yes, Mr. Short, roll it. Yes.
They're just like that. Roll it.
One more same exact one like that with me and Church. Teacher, Oh, you have games on it too. Hey guys, so it seems like Olive Gardens are become a tradition when we have any form of celebration because TJ chose to come to Olive Gardens for dinner. So we're here. I'm waiting for Shireen and my sister-in-law and my mom-in-law to come by. So right now we're on here. We got Daddy, we got the graduates. Say hi, graduates.
Hi, graduates.
We got Miss Tabby. And then we got Mr. Cool Cat over here. So we're just checking food and everything, and then we're gonna go home because I have work tomorrow. If you guys have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video, comment on the comment section, and share. My deep friend. Are you ready, Sam? Shrimp in there. That is the is it not with it
Pretty sure that's the you want sauce on there? Yeah, I'll get sauce.
Mama, they probably don't know because I'm just not wearing this hat. So you can finally get a free
Hey, Mommy loves to spend money and not to spend money. That's weird. Mama, you don't even like to spend. You like to receive things.
When you come back, he says it after these you gotta make something for one meatball. What do you want cheese added on top of yours?
No thanks.
hot. He did say regular. Thank you. Manchester upon that.
What? That's good. Thank you.
Our job is to watch everybody eat tonight. And
who is we?
Who wants grape?
And decide, chicken alfredo.
Oh, God. You can get a juicy one, Mama.
Decide what we want.
You can get a juicy one.
Would you like cheese?
You told her that you see the same thing?
It's just full of machine.
What? Oh, you got the camera set up for the family? That's nice. You got streaming?
Not streaming. YouTube. Just a little bit. Yep.
Oh, what I'm
yeah. Because she's drinking it all up.
Yeah, you want more lemonade? No, that's enough lemonade.
That's for you. Teacher. That's what you're saying. Yeah, give me this one more.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.